equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on your laptop. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 10 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Carefully use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew them, placing them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected by a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Gently pull the connector straight out, ensuring not to tug on the wires. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws that need to be taken out. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. To install the new battery, simply place it in the same position as the old one, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the panel with the laptop and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of DIY repairs, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo Yoga 910-13 IKB and enjoy the improved performance with your new battery. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your device, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.